Hi, my name is Naveen. I came from Bangalore and I'm undergoing hair transplantation surgery. And I met Dr. Vinay and Bharat. And Vinay sir is so amazing, and I feel it like a spa and no pain, nothing. And see my thing. Yesterday I undergone a frontal thing. Now I having a backside, and I feel it's like a chilling atmosphere. And the doctors are very friendly, very trained. I never see doctors like this, and so relaxing, smooth. This is like a conversation. I suggest that to undergo surgery under Vinay sir. Check his credentials, track record. He is an amazing person, and he explains you everything with the first principle. Why you want saline, pH thing, and why this thing. And so experienced, and he tells from what is from the scratch. He explains that differentiates other doctors from Vinay sir. And truly, this is an amazing experience, and I suggest you to you come and experience. If you talk to the sir, you realize his knowledge, intelligence, and moreover, he is a very great human being and very supportive. And he supported right away from airport to hotel, everything he helped it, arranging the lunch and the hosting. Like my in-laws also can't do this kind of hosting. They have done it. I have a very high gratitude and regards to the Vinay sir, and also the Bharat, and also the sisters also. They are doing an amazing job. Amazing job. I took I admitted in multiple hospitals like in Apollo or some other thing from various health issues. But these doctors have became my friends, and I created a long-term friendship with them within the 2 days. I am very much excited, and come here, and you will enjoy it, and you can increase your confidence also. They are the great surgeons in the India. Great.